Here I have BLACKVIEW BV6600, and today I'm going to show you how to reset camera settings on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, then switch into the normal camera mode, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, scroll down to the bottom and select the last option, Restore Defaults, and then tap OK to confirm it. And after that, all of the camera settings will be reset to its default. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.